I'm really excited to be the first physician in Canada to offer SculpSure. SculpSure is the only laser that's ever been cleared by the FDA or Health Canada for the external elimination of fat. And here is our machine. So the way this works is inside this box, there's a laser that runs on what's called a 1060 nanometer wavelength. The really cool thing about this laser is that it's colorblind. We can go through white skin, we can go through dark skin, we can even go through tattoos. And what happens is that laser beam goes through the skin down to the fat. In order to disrupt fat, you really got to raise the temperature between 42 to 47 degrees Celsius. But the problem in the past was, how do you protect the skin? Now there's a mechanism on the top of this that protects the skin, allows the laser to go down into there, it heats up that fat, and then basically it's like poking little holes in that fat and all those molecules run out. Then your lymphatic system picks all that up and eliminates it over about a 12-week time period. So we're here with our patient, and let's check out how the machine works. There's this sort of docking mechanism that you can put around the abdomen or love handles, and there's really sort of 4 pieces that go towards this, and that gets kind of strapped on to your body part. And then what happens is these hand pieces now clip into that docking mechanism. The treatment itself takes about 25 minutes. That 25 minutes is broken into 2 phases. There's a heat up phase of about 4 minutes where we start to get that fat up to that 42 to 47 degrees Celsius range. And then there's a 21-minute phase where we destroy that fat. It's during that 21-minute phase that it kind of gets hot and cool, and most patients will tell you it's a little bit warmer than getting a waxing done. Now what happens is we take this handpiece and we clip that handpiece into the docking mechanism. So the interesting thing of this is we can really do a whole kaleidoscope of areas around the abdomen. So let's check out some of the configurations of where you can actually destroy fat on your abdomen. A SculpSure treatment takes about 25 minutes per given area. Within that 25 minutes, you could lose up to about 24% of fat. Generally, most people need 2 treatments, however, about 6 weeks apart, and you really notice your fat reduction about 12 weeks after your last treatment. So how it works: a 1060 nanometer wavelength technology penetrates adipose layer to heat the tissue between 42 and 47 degrees Celsius. A proprietary energy modulation and contact cooling technology keeps you comfortable during your treatment. Your body then naturally eliminates destroyed fat cells over the following weeks.